Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to customize Google Forms. So first we can change the fonts and text style, so you can customize the font style and size for three distinct areas of your forum. So if we jump into this forum, for example, we have headers. Header, change the main title styling right here. Then we have questions. Question, change the text style for your question, and then we have here answers, basically text. You can change also for this one here some. You basically have some options. um, Now what we can also do here is we can a header image adds immediate visual contact for company branding to the top of your forum. So if you click right here, you will see here on the right side add image, and you can add it here from basically from ever you want. So webcam, by URL, photos. Then we have Google Drive, Google Images, or uploaded from your local machine. What else we can do? We can add also video. Here under the settings, we can change, make this a quiz. Then we have here some responses, presentation basically also, and some default settings, form defaults, question defaults, and so on. What else we can change is we can also change theme. So if we go here to the top right corner, you will see this color palette, customize theme, and we can change it here, some colors, also this background here. Text style, we have, as you can see, what I explained to you at the beginning. You have header, question, text. Here you can change everything, and it will basically have impact right over here in the main page that you can see. Also this background color header, you can also use it here. You can upload it here. And yeah, this is pretty much it. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next